Hey, it's Josh. Welcome back to Hardy Brothers Outdoors. I wanted to show you one of the coolest things that we've added to our tractors and our side-by-sides here lately, and that is the Sawhaul. The Sawhaul is made in the U.S. from a company in Kansas, and a great group of folks over there. We did talk to them before we bought. I'd seen some of these online, cheaper versions that were we were being asked to try out, and I decided to check with them first. And this is a really cool new system. It's got the SNAP-LOK system, which allows you to remove the scabbard in this bracket. So this comes on and off. You can just keep your saw straight on it. You can hang this on the wall. You can take this and put it on the tractor, which I'll show you in a second. Then it also has this swivel lock, pull out, and you can turn your saw however you need to get the clearance that you need. So in the back of the side-by-side here, or on the side of a tractor, if you have a longer bar, then you might need to swivel it out further. So we have it mounted here. It is called the complete system, but there is one thing it does not come with, and that is I guess you call them screw-in locks. Polaris makes some. There's a number of knockoffs out there, but we have the Kolpins, K-O-L-P-I-N, and they seem to work as well. You want something that's long enough in there that will spread out. Don't get fooled and go buy these little cheapy ones here. These are not strong enough to keep this in there as the vehicle bounces around. So go with the Kolpins or go with the OEM Polaris version. But this mounts on here. It can mount anywhere on here. You can mount it to the side so that your saw hangs off the side. If you're filling your the back of your side-by-side with wood or something like that, you don't have to take up any bed space. So goes on real simple, snaps down, your saw fits right into it, and you've got a good snug fit there. Now what I did find is I have started to invest in electric, so I have this Greenworks, and I carry it around quite a bit, and it's got a much narrower bar, so I do get a little more play on that one, and so I might find something that I can wedge in there, but the scabbard's big enough to support a normal size bar, so you can see how much more narrow that bar is, but works great. Now let me show you what it looks like when we transfer it over to the tractor. So here we are with my John Deere 2032R. Basically there's a giant U-bolt, two 3/4 inch locking nylon nuts on there, and same thing, we got the same exact bracket here. You can also put this bracket on the wall to where you can hang your saw there, but that's going to go right on there. Take our saw, pop it right in. So really excited about this product. I think it's a really nice product. The story goes that the owner had his saw in the bucket and was bouncing along. It fell out and he ran over it, and he was looking for a better way to carry his saw. So this is the Sawhaul. They do sell them with the scabbard with the letters in the color of your tractor. So there's green, there's red, there's maroon, blue, yellow, orange. So all of those, so you can kind of make it an accessory for your tractor. But overall, very excited about it. This allows us to carry our saws with us wherever we go without putting it in the bucket, having it bang around, putting it in the back of the side-by-side. So great product, made in the USA. I think you'll like it, and we know we do. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.